Riparian or streamside forests represent a critical habitat in the protection of the region's biodiversity. Such ecosystems represent a dynamic ecological interface between the terrestrial and aquatic worlds. Here, the diversity of plants and animals is often much greater than in surrounding areas. The floodplain forests provide a critical buffer for streams and rivers by filtering and preventing runoff, and the aquatic environment provides a constant influx of nutrients that contributes to the productivity and diversity in the neighboring terrestrial ecosystem. Riparian forests also serve as corridors of habitat that can connect an otherwise fragmented landscape, allowing many wildlife species to move between isolated populations. Biologists now know that maintaining such interchange between populations is one of the most important ways to prevent local extinctions and the loss of biodiversity. The riverfront parks are, in fact, the centerpiece of one such corridor, comprised of several forest patches and river islands extending across a human-dominated environment that we call the Wyoming Valley.